journeytojannah.com.
Assalamu alaikum. In this lesson, we are going to be covering the topic of Hajj. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain in your own words what Hajj means. Recall briefly some of the 7 important aspects of Hajj. Hajj is the 5th and final pillar of Islam. When an adult Muslim has enough money to do this, they must perform something called Hajj. What is Hajj? Hajj means to make a religious journey. That means this is a journey made for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to the holy city of Mecca. Do you think we can just fly to Mecca and have a lovely, relaxing holiday there? Or do you think going for Hajj means something more? Of course it means something more. To do Hajj means you have a long adventure. You have many wild twists and turns, and this is why only adults have to go to Hajj. The religious journey of Hajj can be split into 7 important parts. Muslims do all of these parts, and after they are done, they have finished Hajj. So now, are you ready to go on a virtual Hajj journey with us? Grab your bags and click, let's go! We start our journey in Mecca and we walk around the Kaaba 7 times. This is called Tawaf. Can you click on Adnan and make him do Tawaf around the Kaaba? At each full circuit, you'll earn a star.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar,
The second important part of Hajj is to drink some yummy Zamzam water. Do you remember we have learnt in a previous lesson when Prophet Ismail alayhi salam was a baby, he was thirsty and crying, and then the water of Zamzam gushed out from the ground. So let's fill up this large empty bottle with Zamzam water so Adnan can take a drink after making all of that tawaf. Click on the bucket in the well to fill it with water. A third important aspect of Hajj is to walk fast from Safar to Marwa 7 times. Safar and Marwa are 2 small hills that Ismail's mother ran between when she was all alone and searching for help. Are you ready, Adnan? Let's run! Phew! I'm tired. Next, we must travel to Mount Arafah, which is outside of Mecca, and pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for forgiveness. Be careful! Mount Arafah is always very busy. Can we take Adnan to his prayer mat without bumping into anyone?
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك.
Well done! We're ready for the 5th important aspect of Hajj. Next stop, a place called Muzdalifah. Here we fill our bags with lots and lots of tiny pebbles. Click on the stones to fill the bags. Ready? Go! Great job! Let's grab our stones and travel to another place called Mina. Here in Mina, there are 3 huge pillars. We will throw the stones we gathered in Muzdalifah onto these pillars. Click on the pillars to throw a pebble. Whoa, that was hard, but you made it. Now you are almost at the end of the journey of Hajj. You are very excited, but so tired. You only have one last thing to do to complete Hajj. The 7th and final part of Hajj is to sacrifice an animal for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and feed needy Muslims. Drag and drop the food onto the plates. During Hajj, many Muslims also take the opportunity to visit Medina. In Medina, they visit Prophet Muhammad's masjid, as this is also where he, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is buried. Although that is not a required part of Hajj, Muslims love to do this extra step as we love our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and love to visit the city of Medina where he is.
Try today at journeytojannah.com with animated videos, activities and quizzes ensuring mastery of topics, gamification, avatars, badges and much more, all designed to keep your child engaged. Join thousands of users across the world on journeytojannah.com.